everyone, this is Mia. I'm currently head of Southeast Asian region at Gate.io, one of the top centralized exchanges now, and we are serving more than 40 million users worldwide. Currently, we are serving millions of users. We have been operated for more than 10 years. We maybe are not the top one global exchanges right now, but we offer more than 2,500 cryptocurrency for your option to trade. We also focus we put priority on user safety, user access safety. We are one of the top one, the first exchange to publish the proof of reserve, show 100% user access, which user can verify on our exchange. So we aim to create a sustainable and a safe blockchain market for everyone. We also provide you top token with really good liquidity, and we also have a lot of options on meme coin and other trading pay altcoin that you can choose, and you will be feel really safety because we are really safe and focus on security for our user. I'm really open to join for Corporate Asia this year. I'm really open for networking with everyone, not just like project or user, and we kind of open for any opportunity that come to us. And yes, come to Gate.io booth, and maybe we will see some opportunity to work with each other. We have global community, and we also have official contact on our Gate.io website, gate.io. You can come there and you can go to the information contact at the end of the web page, and you can find us.